Let's face it, no one wakes up happy when they wake up to this every morning. Let's change that. Step 1, let's take this drawer out and see what we're working with. Not bad for its time. Those were some decent quality slides when they were in, probably about 30 years ago. But let's fix that. Let's update these to soft close ball bearing slides. Now that the hardware has been removed, step 3, we are going to unpackage our soft close ball bearing upgrade kit from cabrevive.com. Your kit includes one pair of soft close side mount full extension Worth Pro 100 soft close drawer slides. These are premium. Upon unwrapping them, go ahead and take one slide and fully extend it. If you have it facing this direction, flip it over until you find the release tab. Push that release tab down like so, and slide it apart. So you have two pieces. This is the cabinet part. This part we're going to attach to the drawer box. Now that you have both pieces separated, take the cabinet member and set it on the inside of the face frame, keeping it 1/8, preferably back from the face of the face frame. Quick note, if you have face frame cabinetry, make sure you have the proper blockout spacing so it is flush with the inside of the face frame. To find the new position or the new center line of the drawer slide and where to mount it on your drawer box, you must take a tape measure and measure from the bottom of the face frame to the center of the screw. It turns out to be 7/8 of an inch. Once you have found your center line, take your drawer box and mark out the correct dimension from the bottom of the drawer box to your new dimension, which is your new center line. If you make 2 marks where your center line needs to be, in this case 7/8, I have a mark here and a mark further down, you can take a straight edge and connect your dots. This gives you a center line to find through these holes to make sure you're perfectly straight. As you can see, we have our old holes, we have our new mark, which is 7/8 of an inch, and our line. Now we can attach the drawer slide member that attaches to the drawer box. You want to continue and repeat the same process for the other side. Remember to be 1/8 inch back from the face frame and remain flush with your piece, ensuring you are straight and level to the face of the cabinet. And if everything was measured correctly and your spacing is correct, this is the moment of truth where hard work pays off. Final step is to insert the drawer box into the drawer slides. You're going to want to align the back end of your drawer slide member into the grooves on those white tabs. You want to make sure each side is equal as you push it in, listening for that click as we heard. And it's going to be a little firm. You're hitting the soft close mechanism. Now if it's too tight, stop. You don't want to break anything. But it will be firm, and it's going to require you to push with a little effort all the way shut first for the first time. Just like so. After pushing it in firmly, your soft closed drawer should now be ready to use. Perfect. Once you've inserted the drawer and closed it firmly, your drawer should now be ready to use with your upgraded soft close drawer slides. And that is how you can revive your cabinets with a Cabinet Revive Kit from cabrevive.com.